2, 3.
So yeah, he's just putting on my wig cap. The next thing is to put the glue on the wig cap. Now a lot of stylists have switched from using like Got To Be to spray on the wig cap, and now they just use the lace glue, and this just helps you save from having to use so many products. Now that the glue is dry, we're just cutting off the extra wig cap because we don't need that. Okay, so the next step is to blend the wig cap. And so most people do this with makeup, but some people use lace tint, just whatever works for you. Okay, so now you can see he's putting the wig on my head, but he's also trying to see like where to place that because he has to make sure that it lines up with the lace cap. Now you can see he's cleaning off my forehead with alcohol. Some people use like these little black colored pencils to do this, but my stylist is marking my hairline with the glue. So this just helps him know where to put the glue at so he doesn't put too much, because then it can get really sticky and it can become a big mess. And then he's going back, putting the glue, spreading it out. Okay, so my glue has finally dried, so now he's just putting on the wig, and when he puts on my wig, he makes sure that he like presses in the wig, you know, because that's going to help it be firm and not go anywhere, and you want to really make sure that your wig is melted into your skin. So this is super important, just to make sure that everything's going to stay in place or whatever. He's also going in with a comb and a blow dryer. This just kind of helps secure everything and make sure that nothing is going to move out of place. And the comb, I don't know, I just feel like it really helps your like install melt. Like, I swear to God. My stylist is beginning the plucking process, and this is the longest process, but honestly it is so worth it. It's the difference between you looking like you have a wig and looking like you're giving scalp. And baby, I'm giving very much scalp, okay? You have to be super patient, because baby, if you over pluck them edges, you SOL, okay? So make sure that you are super careful when you're plucking your baby hair. Now my stylist just cutting off my lace. He's using a razor. I like razors, but if you're going to use scissors, make sure that you use scissors that are super blunt and sharp, because you don't want no jagged or damn detectable lace. You want your lace to be undetectable, sweetie. So make sure that you're using something nice and sharp to cut that lace off. Now my stylist is separating my baby hairs from the rest of my hair. You don't have to do this step, but because my hair is curly, obviously I think it was a really good idea to do. It's time for the baby hairs, and y'all, if y'all know me, I love me some freaking baby hairs. I like my baby hairs to be thick. I don't know why, that's just my preference. My stylist always does my baby hairs super well, but he outdid himself today. I mean, he did the fuck out of my baby hairs. I mean, baby. Make sure that y'all watch them so I can pick up some little tips.
Eventually.
Bitch, where?
Okay, baddies, so now my stylist is just making a part in my hair. We knew we were going to do a middle part because I knew what specific style I wanted going in. And after he makes the part, he just uses the hot comb just to set it in place or whatever. I had to switch to my iPhone camera because my camera died. I apologize for the quality. Bear with me. Now we're at the styling part of the process, which is also the last part of the process. And this is actually something I just started doing. Honestly, I wear so many wigs and it's kind of hard to switch it up. So I started doing styles just so I could have a different look. And I have to say that this was one of my absolute favorite shots. The hair was bomb, so thank you to Vshow for sending me this hair. The baby hairs was bomb, the milk was bomb. Everything about this install was so bomb. I absolutely loved it. If y'all are interested in buying this hair, make sure y'all check out the description box below. That's where all the hair details will be. And I will see you baddies in my next video. Bye baddies.